Hello. All right. Um, just a little bit of food to wake me up.
Right? Beautiful.
That's my breakfast right here. It's the old 4-town smoothie. I've also got a pizza right here. And a double two chocolate. Certainly is a sandwich. double side chocolate cookie. This bomb best pizzas on us. I give a nice pizza crust smile. That's right, huh? Nice pizza crust smile sound. Calm your posture. When you're at the best part of pizza, just do a little pizza crust smile. To show that you enjoyed your meal. Yeah, girl. Yeah.
That was also it's not like he was entirely unsupervised the whole
Pizza, 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 pizza. Pizza, pizza, put it on the board.
well, hopefully they do practice it. I think alpha is the worst, specifically for people who are okay. And will apply to be about they'll essentially
It's an ookie cookie. An ookie cookie. It's a cookie. An ookie cookie.
but she said that's fine. But
Oh, yeah. It's a nice sticky smile. Nice little cookie smile. Nice little bigger chocolate cookie smile.
No,
her
but
last
you're
week. Yeah, I didn't see her at dance this week when we had the tire issue. So
I forget that your mom. That's probably
Yeah.
how she got.
that's how they got there for the trial. I knew they were. I saw them there when they were
Well,
trying.
do you
it
think
out. I
we're
wasn't sure they
disappointed
had
by the
tried.
results of the
I didn't see
election?
them there last time, but I thought it was for the same class. Maybe she
Don't
put her
worry.
in a different class after all.
Mondays.
Yeah.
We might be divided, but we will not be conquered.
He loved it. He didn't even know we were having an emergency until he came out of class.
We'll always feel love,
But that was the point. I felt something was wrong. We were
no matter what.
I got it somewhere
So
safe.
is it the parking lot?
But
Yeah,
we'll
I
always
pulled into
be
the
there
parking
for
lot.
you.
I got him hooked up and in his first day. Bob and I were out low, and I could hear it right there. I could hear the tire going.
I just saw the something.
I feel your
For
pain.
some reason, when you would ask for.
I wanted hers
So I
too.
just saw like he had flat tire. He came and picked him up.
And this mom's in there too. It took them a little bit because the car was a little too because it was snowing really bad that night.
You're right.
But they got there and he had.
But we
some
will
time.
survive.
We got there after his
Hopefully,
last class,
we
so
will
he slept
survive.
He was in the car with you.
Yeah, you're right. It started around 4:45. It just kind of started coming out. What time did it start?
4 and
Just
yeah,
buy
we were there.
only brands that support Democrat.
Go right from the bus.
Don't call them
He goes in,
McDonald's.
they do his backpack, he gets his snacks, he gets his bag of the jet. We're usually there in 10 minutes early.
And he's there till what time?
5:15. Well, technically 4, but one of them is mixed.
Don't go to
They
McDonald's.
what they do.
Don't go to Wendy's until they feel sorry for what they did. There's an app called Goods Unite Us. So download it today.
So once you get the title,
I already had it.
send it. What's the next step?
I wait for them to get it. And then they overview the final settlement.
Alright.
And then I have the money. That's it. That's where we
And they
got
help the guy held the car.
Yes,
Still has
he's still
it.
there. I put 550 down.
Nice cookies, man.
Keep doing it, man.
Maybe I'll survive.
I've got about 3,000 coming.
Anyways, goodbye, queens and kings. And
Taking a
fuck you, Dejal from
pause